Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Netflix account on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Netflix account on your Android device, the app will not be available on the Play Store, but you can log into your Netflix account on your Google browser or any browsers you are using on your Android device. I'm currently using the Chrome at my best. And after opening your preferred browser, tap on the search bar and type in netflix.com like this and go. And after that, you can see this is the home page of Netflix itself. Now to log into your Netflix account, you can see the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on sign in. And over here you will be required to enter your email address over here or your phone number over here which you had registered on Netflix, and after that enter your password over here and then tap on sign in to log into your Netflix account. If you have not yet created an account on Netflix, tap on sign up now and you will be directed to the home page where you can enter your email address over here, and after that tap on get started to go further with the registration procedure. And there guys, this is how you log into your Netflix account on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.